So guys, today's video, I want to show you an easy way to change your look of your car. Now I did this before on the front marker here, smoking it out, but I want to show you an easier way to do it. And it won't break the bank as well. So if you remember last time, I had the Laminex overlays on. Well, now I got these ones from Delicious Stickers. I've used these guys a lot in the past. I love their products, great material, great customer service, and they're cheaper on top of that. And why I like them, because all of these they're wet installs, which I believe gives a cleaner look. It's a lot easier to make it look perfect, to line it up. It's not like a one-shot thing. So what you want to basically do is just clean the light off really well. That's the main thing I can say. So go over it, make sure it's spotless. Okay. And then give it a once-over wipe. Make sure there's nothing on there. Okay. And I just use a bottle of water with a couple drops of soap in it, and then a rubberized squeegee here. I like these because they mold to they kind of contour, and they won't scratch up the vinyl like a plastic one will. So definitely pick yourself up a little rubberized squeegee. And they even mark these, which I like: passenger, driver. Sometimes you think it's easy, but sometimes it's like you're trying to figure out which way. So I went in and sprayed both sides of this soapy water. As you can see, you can move it all around, which I like. So that's what I like about these. You get them perfect. Just slide it around where you want it. And then when you have it lined up where you want it, okay, then just squeegee half it, all the water out, and then work it around. Really let you fine tune it. There's no rush. If you don't like it, pull it off, respray it till you get it just right. The thing with these are that you do have to use heat to bottom, like to tuck them. It's really easy though. You'll notice when you hit it with heat, even with a hair dryer, it starts molding on the edges, kind of just contour. So all I do, just lightly squeegee. And then when you do this, it's kind of setting it too. I'd recommend holding it probably with your other hand so you don't slide as you're squeegeeing it. And then once you squeegee probably a third of it, it'll hold. And you just squeegee the water out. Really easy. Like I said, just take your time. Put moderate pressure. As you can see, you're taking the water out. Doesn't need to be 100% perfect. As it cures in a couple days, any moisture will evaporate out. But you want to get the bulk of it out. And this is the 35%, or even 50%, I think they call it now. But it's the same. It's the light smoke. But I see this edge here. That more than likely won't stay without heat. So I would just squeegee all the water out and then hit it with a little bit of heat. So I use this heat gun. You don't need a lot, for sure. Kind of go over it. Keep it moving. You don't want to stay in one place with it, because these things do get really hot. So I kind of suggest a blow dryer for something like this. And then you just use your squeegee, use your finger, rub the edges to get it to tuck, and it'll stick perfect. Really easy to do, especially there's gaps like in the bottom here around the light that you could easily tuck it. That's the nice thing. Sometimes a little harder, but it's straightforward. And like I said, they have 20% if you guys want it darker. They have that too. They have a lot of overlays for this car. They have the headlight, the whole headlight overlay. If you want to smoke out the entire headlight, they even have that as well. But I like the light smoke. It adds just enough, but it still lets the reflector stay usable, which I like. I don't like anything over the top dark. I like it. I like the transition. How it kind of just smokes it out. Like I said, certain lights, it looks dark. Like that, you can barely see it. Then other times it looks like there's nothing on it. So here's the driver's side. I did. You see from that angle, it looks black. So that's what I like. I feel like the light smoke is just enough. I like it. Like I said, any little bubbles like that, they'll come out. I wouldn't work them too much because you can ruffle the material. Just let it set. But again, I just want to share that with you guys. It's another option. They're cheaper. I'll put the link in the description. They have overlays, like I said, for everything. They have the headlights, the tail lights, the turn signals, all that kind of stuff that you would need if you want to change the appearance of your car a little bit. So definitely check them out. I think you'll like their products. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.